Today on Rust Bucket Adventures, we're going to be changing out some hood struts on a Lexus GX 470. Probably shouldn't do that. Let's take care of that. So the tool we're going to need to do this job is a 12 millimeter wrench, replacement hood struts. We've got a 12 millimeter hex right there, 12 millimeter hex right there. We're going to unscrew those. These ones are formed into the knuckle here, so we actually have to replace them. This one has replacement screw-in posts. They're going to go into the places and then snap those in. We're going to need to support this hood. I don't have anything official, so we're just going to use our snow brush. And we'll stick it in here, prop it up top so it doesn't fall on us while we're working on it. So I'm going to go ahead and undo this. One thing you want to notice is the cylinder's up here and the shaft is down on the bottom, so we're going to put it in the same way. So let's get this one off. So taking a look at the original that came off, we can see that the knuckle and ball assembly are one unit. Looks like these were original equipment, so this is 2009, so they've been on there a really long time, and we're going to replace it with this new one. So we're going to screw those into the vehicle, and then we're going to snap these in, and I'll show you how that's done. I'm going to install these first. Oh, this is the product we're using, just FCS Auto. That's the part number right there. And I got these on Rock Auto. I think they were like 12 bucks a piece, so pretty good value. Okay, so now that the studs are in, we're gonna go ahead and attach these. So we're just gonna, it just slides in and we push it over the ball and give it a snap in place. That's that one. This one might have to rotate a little bit. Looks like we'll have to lift it up. It's gonna be tough with one hand. And there we go. That is all there is to it. And we're gonna go ahead and do the other side. So this unit comes with some real quick instructions. Basically, it tells you to put the ball in and snap that over the top. So that's what we're gonna do. We got that side done. We've got this one removed. We're gonna put it in. Oh, and there we go, all done. Yeah, no longer do I have a hood wanting to land on my head, and it opens on its own. So again, thanks for joining us for another exciting maintenance tip from our channel here. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next on Rust Bucket Adventures.